Okay, it is July 8th, 2023. This is Ocean View HOA Homeowners Association down in Parksley, Virginia. These roads were done in 2019. That's 4 years ago. This is what they look like. They look extremely good. They actually contacted them and said they were extremely happy with what they have. They're probably good for another 3 years. This is was done with asphalt rejuvenation with a computerized machine. It's a one coat process, in and out. No need for two coats with this product. This is your end result after 4 years. They look extremely well. That concludes this video.